Hey everybody, it's Brandon Vanderschot here, a damn good realtor from Brand Realty Group, and I am super excited to show you my listing here at 295 8th Street West. It's a raised brick bungalow in downtown Owen Sound with a ton of character. Come on in, you're gonna love it. Thanks so much for joining us out here at 295 8th Street West, right here in the city of Owen Sound. If you want to check this place out for yourself, feel free to give me a call at the number that's about to pop up at the end. And in the interim, I'm gonna go grab the hammock from Jacob's car, because I feel like it's begging for it.